Namaste. In this video, we are going to find dy upon dx if given 4x plus 3y is equal to ln, or we can say log 4x minus 3y. Here base is e. Here differentiating with respect to x, and we get, so here each term differentiate with respect to x. So d upon dx 4x plus d upon dx 3y is equal to d upon dx, here ln 4x minus 3y. Here we will use chain rule. Here we differentiate 4x with respect to x, we get 4. Here 3y, when we differentiate with respect to x, we get 3, and dy upon dx. Here this is log function, so we get 1 upon x, but here 4x minus 3y, so we can write 1 upon 4x minus 3y, and using chain rule. So d upon dx, this portion we can differentiate 4x minus 3y. 4 plus 3 dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 4x minus 3y. Here when we differentiate, we get 4, and this is 3 dy upon dx. Okay. 4 plus 3 dy upon dx, and this is 4 upon 4x minus 3y, and this is when we multiply this, so we get minus 3 upon 4x minus 3y dy upon dx. All dy upon dx term shift left side, and this 4 shift the right side. So 3 dy upon dx, and this will be plus. So plus 3 upon 4x minus 3y dy upon dx is equal to this one, 4 upon 4x minus 3y, and 4 transfer this side, so it will be negative. From here we can take common 3 dy upon dx, so we get 1 plus 1 upon 4x minus 3y, and here we can take common 4. So this is 1 upon 4x minus 3y minus 1. Okay. Now 3 dy upon dx, and we can simplify this bracket. So this is 4x minus 3y. 1 multiply this, so 4x minus 3y, and this plus 1. Okay. Now here when we simplify this bracket, so this is 4x minus 3y, this 1, and minus 1 multiply this, so minus 1 times 4x minus 4x, and minus 1 multiply minus 3y, it will be positive 3y. Okay. We want to find out dy upon dx, so we can divide both sides 3 and this bracket portion. So dy upon dx is equal to, so 4 1 minus 4x plus 3y divided by this 4x minus 3y. Okay, this is 3, and here multiply. So 4x minus 3y, here this side divide, so here multiply 4x minus 3y, and 3 and this 4x minus 3y plus 1 multiply, so here divide 4x minus 3y plus 1. 4x minus 3y and this 4x minus 3y cancel, we get dy upon dx. This 4 upon 3, okay, so actually 4, and this is 1 minus 4x plus 3y, and this is 3, 4x minus 3y plus 1, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.